Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel influencers360.co.uk. Today we are going to learn how to record screen. If you want to record your own screen from your laptop, from your desktop, then I'm going to tell you which app you can use. The best app is FreeCam 8. This is running already on my desktop, so it cannot be open again. So you can search in Google, and this is the best free app you can use to record screen in HD definition, in high definition videos. So I use this application, and this is the best application you can use. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel if you want to find more such videos to learn similar things. Thanks for watching.